So we're here at Royalston Falls, and right at the trailhead is this little cool cemetery. I want to show you guys. Check it out. Guys, check this out. How cool is this? Old cemetery at the trailhead. Wow. I mean, look at some of the dates on these headstones. 1800s. Wow. What an additional treat. Amazing. Dee, 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 dee. Look at that tree, man. That thing looks like prehistoric. Oh, shit. Needless to say, I'm gonna take a right. That tree is freaky looking, man. It's freaking me out. It's gonna come alive. This is what's known as Falls Brook Shelter. So these interior woodland waterfalls, they're a lot different, obviously, than the 50, 60, 70 foot cascading style. What makes them unique, though, is they're usually in woodland areas a mile, 2, 3 miles in from a trailhead. That said, it makes it pretty cool. And like, just listen to the sound it makes. Silence is golden. So it goes like this. What's given or what you worked for can be taken away. What's promised can also be broken. One thing we all know for sure, that there is an end day for all of us. So when you've been given the gift of waking up and being able to stand on your feet, how are you going to pay it forward? Dee, 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 dee. Just me in my class B.